Hello everybody and welcome back to the vlog. It's me, Sam, with 2 M's if you're new here. It's nice to see you. Welcome. For today, it is actually 11:20 in the morning. I just finished doing my makeup. I don't have any lipstick just yet, so it's kind of weird looking right now. But I have quite the busy day today. I have an interview later on around 12, and then later mga 3, I'm going to be hosting an event for Ben&Ben because they are going to have a single launch press con and also listening party for some friends tonight. And I'm going to be hosting, and I'm so excited but also nervous because I love Ben&Ben, and I just finished doing my makeup. It's a little bit different from the makeup that I've done in the past, especially the eyes. I'm not really an eyeshadow person, but the theme for today is colorful and whimsical, so that's why I made my eyeshadow like purpley pink, and then also I put like a pink highlight in my inner corners just so it'll pop. And also I wore my hair up. Usually I don't wear my hair up when I'm hosting. I don't know why, but I'm just so used to wearing my hair down, but for today I'm wearing it up because my outfit is a little bit intense. It's very colorful since that is the theme that they're going for today. I have quite the busy day today, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me. And yeah, I'm pretty nervous actually, and also excited. I feel like for every event, any event that I host, I get so nervous, and then when I actually start doing it, everything kind of just flows and I have fun with it, which I think is the best way to go about it, because if you're not nervous, that means you don't care. At least I still get nervous about it, but yeah, let's go. Hello everybody and welcome to the Mix Daily Top 10. You're all hanging out with me, a VJ Sam with 2 M's. Happy Thursday, everybody!
Palakpakan na natin Summer Girls and Timothy Run from the band One Click Straight. If we don't give it a start, it's a shot in the dark, but you're always worth the risk. You make me believe. Sampu na kami! Yay! Let's go 10-piece band!
Palagay po ng ng vocal sa monitor.
Hello everybody, it is now 11:23 a.m. I'm now back home, and we got back home last night, siguro mga midnight after yung Ben&Ben event. And actually, we were supposed to go home this morning, pero naisip namin, holiday today, so madaming tao umaakyat. So we were like, why don't we just go after the event? So we went, and then we surprised my mom and my family kasi they thought we were coming home today pa. So funny. They were so scared daw, parang di nila alam kung sino nag-doorbell at 12 midnight. So it was so funny. But I just did a bunch of work this morning. Since it is a holiday, I still have some work that I had to get done, but pretty easy work. And now I'm gonna go have lunch in the club with my family and also Kurt's family. Since it is a holiday, parang naisipan nila to visit, and then we're gonna go eat lunch together. So yeah, that is basically my agenda for today. But last night's event was so fun. I got to see so many friends. I'm so happy, and obviously I'm so grateful and honored to have hosted for Ben&Ben, one of my favorite bands in the Philippines. I love them so much. So, and to see them grow as a band, feeling ko is one of the best things ever. Kasi medyo sabay yung career namin. Well, no, but really, kasi nung first guesting ng Ben and Ben sa Mix, I was actually there. Hindi ako nag-interview, but I saw them. And that was around the time Katang Isip was blowing up pa lang. So, to see them grow, and also the way we've all grown since then is so crazy. So, super honored ako and so happy that I was able to host for them. Pero ngayon, dito na actually yung family ni Kurt, so I have to go. And I'm just gonna take you guys along with us. We're gonna eat and have fun today. So yeah, let's go. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog!
Mom, join my vlog. Huh? Say hi.
I'm busy.
Say hi!
I'm busy nga.
I'll drop your dog.
Hi! Hello!
Hello everyone, so it is now 5:21 p.m. and we're in the kitchen because we are going to bake. We're gonna bake these Levain bakery cookies, which is a very popular bakery in New York, which I love. But to be honest, I don't remember what it tastes like. I just remember it tastes good. So I saw these in SNR and they're actually just really easy to bake. You just have to preheat your oven. My director is giving me signals I'm doing a good job. But anyway, you just have to preheat your oven and then put the cookies, kasi frozen siya, you just have to put it on a baking tray and then you just bake it and then yun yun. So I want to see if it tastes as good. I don't know. I know these have been there for a long time, but gusto ko naman siya ma-try. So let's go. Let's go! I can't give you this. You can't eat cookies. Play with cookie na lang. He also wants to try. Okay, so I finished making the Levain cookies and then we let them cool for a few minutes. They said to just leave it on the tray rather than a rack. So we're gonna try them. We're gonna taste test. Let's do a cookie break for everybody. 1, 2, 3. Ooh! Very gooey. Levain became very popular for their cookie breaks like this. Very gooey looking. Filled with chocolate. I'm scared. But cheers everybody. Cheers. Definitely a vibe. Ooh! To be quite honest, I don't remember what they taste like, but I remember liking them. And them being filled with a lot of chocolate. And this one is also filled with a lot of chocolate. I also like to dip my cookies in milk. So it's pretty good. Kind of a vibe. I do have to say, it's quite expensive. For small sized cookies, you only get 8 in the box. I don't remember how much I paid for them. But they are quite expensive because they're smaller than palm size, and the real Levain cookies, sobrang massive. Probably like this big. Well, obviously they can't make them that big probably. Good substitute if you guys are curious what they taste like since they're super hyped, right? Gooey.
Good.
Pwede ba, no?
Yeah, it's good.
Sarap. Sarap.
Oh,
1 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. 1 thumbs up. Approved. Giving a multitasker. Good morning, everybody. It is now 9:46 a.m. and it is early because we are going to IKEA or IKEA. How do you pronounce it?
ikea. Kia. Kia, 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 kia. Yun na lang.
Anyway, we're going to IKEA.
Na coding.
Our car's coding, which is why we're leaving early. We're responsible. We're responsible people, but we're
Sad people.
What?
Responsible coders.
coders. Anyway, so we're going to IKEA. Why are we going to IKEA?
Bakit nga? Gusto mo?
We both want to. When my mom asked, why are we going to IKEA? Sabi namin, just to check what's poppin'. Chismoso pala. No, but kasi si Kurt is building his study room for his studying. So we're gonna see like what we can add to what we're buying. We're also gonna eat meatballs. I don't know why. Naisipan na namin pumunta ng IKEA. Actually, I wanted to go to IKEA. So, sabi ni Kurt, he's only gonna buy if I buy. So let's see. Let's see if I will end up buying anything from IKEA today. It's also been a minute since the last time I went to IKEA and actually bought stuff. So, yeah, that is the agenda today.
9:47.
Huh?
A minute.
It's also been a minute since the last time I went to IKEA and actually bought stuff. You're so funny.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your
My cart man. Push. Hedge. So how's your IKEA experience so far? Ang mata? I also like the checkered. Guys, how cute are these pillows? I can't deal. They're so nice. They're so cute. Okay, I ended up getting the multicolor one.